Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Deanna, and today I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from West Kiss. I'm excited about this hair actually. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a 13 by 4 24-inch HD lace pre-styled wig. And when I say pre-styled, the style is cute. All right, so first of all, let's just get into the lace. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all of that goodness. Look at that hairline. Like through here you can see how good the plucking is, and then you can see the little jagged edges in the front, so you can tell that they cut it. And look how they styled it. So it has the little, you know, the popular 3-part. So it has the, well, popular 2 parts, I guess you could say. So it's like the parts on each side, and then it has the baby hairs in it on this side, and it has a cute fishtail braid in the back. Like, come on, fishtail braid, look at that. And then it also is, I think this is water wave or deep wave. It'll be on the screen. It is on a dome cap. They give you an elastic band here with the no slip grip. It does have a comb at the bottom, and then it has 2 combs at the sides like this. And then it also has some like adjustable straps here in that lace that, you know, we're gonna have to cut off. But yeah, this is what the wig is looking like, and it's really cute. Can't wait to install that. And before we get into the video, I just want to show you what they gave in the box. So you get a wig cap, an edge brush, some lashes, cute little light pink bonnet to go with my decor in my bathroom. An edge band like this, and a nice dust bag for your wig, because dust bags are important. Thank you. Alright, so anywho, if you want to see me install this wig, if you want to see what it looks like on my head, then you know what you gotta do. You gotta keep on watching. Alright, so next I am taking my cream makeup like this from Ruby Kisses, and I am going to color the top of my wig cap. Alright, so there is a lace at the back of this wig that I'm going to go ahead and cut off. I don't need it. Yes. Ooh, because why is it cute already? I didn't even like glue it down yet. I'm getting gagged. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, that's cute. I like this. Hey, this is so cute. In all seriousness, I'm just gonna make sure it fits comfortably on my head. I'm gonna have to, I think I'm about to cut this just a tad. So now I can pull it forward. Using my Erica J Hold Me Down spray. Okie dokie, so it's been about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my little wig band and finish styling the rest of the hair. It look a little crusty right now. That's okay. So now I'm gonna take these down, and I'm gonna do the baby hairs. So before I wrap my baby hairs, I decided that I was going to glue down my edges. I just put a little bit of glue around the sides because my sideburns tend to lift a little bit. So I just wanted some extra security outside of that Hold Me Down spray. And then I'm just going to blow dry it for a little bit. Then I'm gonna wrap it one more time. Re-wrap it. I'm just gonna take my water and my mousse and I'm gonna define these curls while I let my edges sit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a light scrunch. I really like the wave in the hair and I'm not gonna diffuse it or anything. I just really wanna scrunch it. This is what it looks like wet, and then this is what it looks like dry. And then I'm just gonna let it air dry and do what it needs to do because I really just like this wave pattern by itself. I don't want to do too much to it. All right, so now I'm gonna take this off after I let it sit. I'm gonna swoop these little edges down here a little bit. All right, the last thing I'm gonna do is take some cream makeup and then put it over my edges because my edges are real light looking. So this is the final look and it's cute. Like I absolutely love this. Like, look at this freaking hairline. This looks really cute. I really love this style. I like how they have this up in a fishtail braid like this. This wave pattern back here is really pretty. Another thing that I like is that they already blunt cut it pretty much, so you don't even have to do that. Like, it just hangs like this by itself. And another cool thing is, like, if you want to put it like in a ponytail, you can do it like this. Put it in a little claw clip or something like that. Like, that's a cute style too. The hair, first of all, the hair is so soft and fluffy and nice. And look how this looks. That looks so cute. Like, I absolutely love this. It looks so good. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Okay, my bad. And look at the little fishtail braid right here. I forgot to show y'all. Got a little fishtail. Anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.